Hello students, now let's do question number 19 from exercise 5.7, okay? But before we proceed to solve this question, let us understand some basics of division which you already know. Now, let us divide number 7 by 2, okay, and see what happens. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Here in this case, dividend equals to 7, isn't it? Dividend equals to 7. Dividend means the number which is being divided. Dividend is 7. And divisor equals to 2, isn't it? The number which is dividing the dividend is the divisor, and the divisor is 2. Quotient is the answer, isn't it? Quotient is 3. And remainder equals to 1. This is the remainder, isn't it? And among these four terms there is a relation. Among these four terms, dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, there is a relation, and that relation is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this is the relation among these four terms: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now let us verify this equation. Okay, let us verify this relation whether it holds true or not. Now we have divisor equals to 2 into quotient, we have quotient equals to 3 plus remainder, and the remainder is 1, isn't it? So 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, isn't it? So we have dividend equals to 7, and in this case also dividend equals to 7, isn't it? So this relation, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, holds true for every division. Okay, this relation holds true for every division we do, and we are going to use this relation in this question also, while solving this question also. Okay, now let us quickly read out the question and then we will understand and solve the question. Okay, first let me read out the question. Mausami divides a 2-digit number with the sum of its digits and gets quotient as 6 and remainder as 6. Okay, let the 2-digit number be, let the 2-digit number be 10x plus y. This is the 2-digit number, isn't it? Number in the unit place is y and the number in the tens place is x. Suppose we have the number 25 here. The number in the unit place is 5, so we need to multiply with 1, plus the number in the tens place is 2, so we need to multiply this 2 with 10. So 10 into 2 is 20, plus 5 into 1 is 5. 20 plus 5 is 25. We can write this 25 in the expanded form in this way, isn't it? Number in the unit place is multiplied with 1 and the number in the tens place is multiplied with 10. Similarly, y is the number in the unit place and x is the number in the tens place. So x is multiplied by 10 and y is multiplied by 1. Okay, y into 1 is 1. Sorry, y into 1 is y. Okay, now in this case sum of 2 digit is 2 plus 5, isn't it? And in this case sum of 2 digit is x plus y. Okay, in this case sum of 2 digit is 2 plus 5. Similarly, in this case sum of 2 digit is x plus y. So now let us write the first condition. I hope you are getting me. First condition, Mausami divides 2-digit number. Mausami divides 2-digit number. The number which is being divided is this, isn't it? 2-digit number. So dividend is, let us write the relation first. Okay, since dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the relation. Okay, now first condition, Mausami it divides 2-digit number, means 2-digit number is being divided. So 2-digit number is this. So dividend is 10x plus y. This number is being divided. This number is being divided. Okay. By which number? This number is being divided by which number? With the sum of 2 digits. So with the sum of its digits, means sum of its digits means divisor equals to x plus y, isn't it? This number is being divided by sum of its digits. Okay, sum of its digits is x plus y, isn't it? So this is the divisor and this is the dividend, and in that case she gets quotient as 6 and remainder as 6. So quotient is 6 plus remainder also 6. She gets quotient as 6 and remainder as 6. Okay. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Are you getting me? I hope so. Or 10x, let's simplify this equation. Okay. 10x plus y equals to, let us multiply this, 6 into x is 6x plus 6 into y is 6y plus 6, isn't it? Now let us bring everything to the left hand side except this 6. Okay, let us leave this 6 to the right hand side and bring everything to the left hand side. Or 10x, let us bring this 6x minus 6x plus y plus 6y minus 6y, it becomes minus 6y equals to 6. So this plus 6x became minus 6x, plus 6y became minus 6y when we brought to the left hand side. Now 10x minus 6x is 4x. Okay, plus 6y minus 6y is minus 5y, isn't it? The sign of greater number comes, equals to 6. So this is equation 1. 4x minus 5y equals to 6 is equation 1. Okay, let me write this equation here. 4x minus 5y, 4x minus 5y equals to 6. This is equation 1. Now please take the screenshot. I am going to erase this. Now in the second condition, but she divides the number interchanging the digits. Interchanging the digits means she brought the unit place number to the tens place and tens place number to the unit place. That means 10y plus x. Okay, the original number is this. The original number is this. That means the unit place number is y and the tens place number is x, isn't it? But in the second condition, she interchanged the number. Interchanging means she brought the unit place number to the tens place. So y is brought to the tens place and x is taken to the unit place. Okay, she interchanged the digits of the number, means 25. When interchange the digit, this becomes 52, isn't it? Similarly, x, see y in the tens place and x in the unit place. Okay, x in the unit place. When this number is divided with the sum of its digits, means in this case also divisor is sum of its digits, x plus 1. This is the divisor and this is the dividend. The new dividend is this. Okay, and is divided by sum of its digits, and in that case she will get quotient as 4. Quotient is 4 plus remainder is 9, isn't it? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now let us simplify this. 10y plus x equal to 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into y is 4y plus 9, isn't it? Or let us bring this 4x and 4y to the left hand side. We have this x minus 4x. We have this plus 10y, isn't it? Plus 10y minus 4y equals to, in the right hand side now remains only 9. 4x is this minus 4x, this plus 4y is this minus 4y. Okay, this plus x is here and this plus 10y is here. Or plus x and minus 4x is minus 3x, isn't it? So plus 10y minus 4y is plus 6y equals to 9. Now let us reduce the value, reduce the number, because the smaller the number, easier it becomes to us, isn't it, for calculation. we can divide this equation by 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, isn't it? So the second equation is, let me write this equation here, okay? Minus x plus 2y plus, this is 2, isn't it? 2y equal to 3. This is equation 2. This is equation 2 and this is equation 1. So let us solve this equation 1 and 2 and find the values of x and y. So I'm trying to solve this equation by elimination method. So the coefficient of x should be equal to eliminate x, okay? Here we have 1 and here we have 4. So let us multiply this equation 2 with 4 to make the coefficient of x equal. Please take the screenshot, okay? I'm erasing this now. We don't need this again. So equation 1 is 4x minus 5y equal to 6. This is equation 1. And equation 2 is 4 into x is minus 4x minus this minus is this minus. 4 into x is 4x plus 4 2s are 8y equals to 4 3s are 12. This is equation 2. Now let us add equation 1 and 2. Adding plus 4x and minus 4x cancels out. Plus 8y and minus 5y is 3y, isn't it? Sign of greater number comes, plus 3y. 12 plus 6 is 18, or y equals to 18 upon this 3 goes to the denominator. 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, or y equals to 6. We found the value of y. Now we can easily find the value of x, isn't it? So putting the value of x in equation 1, y in equation 1, putting the value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 we have 4x minus 5y equals to 6. This is equation 1, isn't it? 4x minus 5 equals to 6. Or 4x minus 5, y means we have 6, y means 6, the value of y is 6, so we put the value of y here equals to 6. Or 4x minus 5 6 are 30 equals to 6. Or x equals to, we have 6 here, minus 30 goes, it becomes plus 6 plus 30 divided by this 4 goes to the denominator, isn't it? Or x equals to 6 plus 30 is 36 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So the value of x is 9 and the value of y is 6. Now, please take the screenshot, okay? I'm erasing this. Okay, now, therefore, the two-digit number written by Mousami, equals to 10x plus y, isn't it? This is the number which Mousami wrote. So let us put the values of x and y. 10 into x means 9 plus y means 6. So 10 into 9 is 90 plus 6. 90 plus 6 is 96. So the number which Mousami wrote is 96. I hope you got this. This is the answer for question number 19. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, now let's solve question number 20 from exercise 5.7. Okay. When Farida Bibi put oranges in some boxes, she observed that if she would put 20 oranges more in each box, then 3 boxes would be less required. But if she would put 5 oranges less in each box, 1 more box would be required. Forming simultaneous equations, let us calculate how many boxes and oranges did Farida Bibi have. Okay. So let us suppose, let the number of boxes be x. Let the number of boxes be x, and the number of oranges in each box. Each box be y. Okay, let the number of boxes be x and the number of oranges in each box be y. Therefore, the total number of oranges will be xy, isn't it? Are you getting me? I don't think so. Let me explain this. Suppose if I have 5 boxes, okay? If I have 5 boxes and in each box there are 10 apples, okay, sorry, oranges, okay? Apple or oranges, same thing. So, okay, I have 5 boxes and each box contains 10 oranges. Then how many oranges in altogether do I have? 5 into 10 is 50 oranges, isn't it? We multiply the number of boxes with the number of oranges in each box. 5 into 10 is 50. Are you getting me? Yes. If I have 5 boxes and the number of oranges in each box is 10, then the total number of oranges will be 5 into 10, that is 50, isn't it? Similarly, here also, total number of boxes is x and the number of oranges in each box is y. So the total number of oranges will be the number of boxes into number of oranges in each box, x into y, that is xy, isn't it? I hope you got this now. Now let us understand the question, okay? See, observe that if you would put 20 oranges more in each box, then 3 boxes would be less required. That means total number of boxes she had was x, isn't it? X. And the number of oranges in each box was y. Number of oranges in each box was y. The number of oranges in each box was y. What did she do? She observed that if she would put 20 oranges more in each box, means originally each box contained only y number of oranges. Now she put 20 more oranges into one box. Originally each box contained only y number of oranges, but what did she do? She put 20 oranges more plus 20 in each box. That means the total number of oranges in each box is y plus 20, isn't it? So in that case, then 3 boxes would be less required. That means number of boxes required would be less. How many boxes less required? 3. Originally she had x number of boxes. Now when she put extra 20 oranges in each box, the number of boxes required will be x minus 3. 3 less boxes were required because she put more oranges into each box, isn't it? So this is the number of oranges in each box and this is the total number of boxes. So when you multiply the number of oranges in each box into the total number of boxes, you get the total number of oranges, isn't it? That is xy. Are you getting me? This is the first condition. This is the first condition. Now let us multiply. Y into x is xy, plus into minus, minus, y into 3, 3y, plus into plus, plus, 20 into x, 20x, plus into minus, minus, 20 into 3, 60, 2 3s are 6, this 0 comes here, equals to xy. So if I take this plus xy to the right hand side, it becomes minus xy, isn't it? So that minus xy and this plus xy can be cancelled. So why not cancel here itself? Plus xy minus xy. This plus xy goes here and it becomes minus xy, isn't it? And cancels out. So let's cancel here itself. So now let us write this plus 20x before and minus 3y later, okay? So plus 20x minus 3y equal to this minus 60. Let me take to the right hand side, plus 60. This is equation 1. 20x minus 3y equal to 60. Okay, let me write this equation 1 here. 20x minus 3y equal to 60. This is equation 1. Now please take the screenshot of this. I'm going to erase this, okay? Now the second condition is, but if C would put 5 oranges less in each box. Now originally number of oranges in each box was y, isn't it? The number of oranges in each box was y. If C would put 5 oranges less in each box, then the number of oranges in each box will be y minus 5, isn't it? In that case, C would require one more box. So the number of boxes C had is x, isn't it? So if C put less number of oranges in each box, then C would require more boxes. So x plus 1, one more box. C required one more box, x plus 1. So this is the number of oranges in each box, and this is the total number of boxes, isn't it? So when you multiply the number of oranges in each box with the total number of boxes, you get the total number of oranges, that is xy. Okay? I hope you are getting me. This is second condition. Okay. Plus into plus is plus, y into x is xy. Plus into plus is plus, y into 1 is y. Minus into plus is minus, 5 into x is 5x. Minus into plus is minus, 5 into 1 is 5, equals to xy, isn't it? So here also, if you take this plus xy to the right hand side, it becomes minus xy, and this plus xy and minus xy cancel. So why not cancel here itself, isn't it? So let me write this 5x in the front and plus y later, okay? Minus 5x plus y equals to, let me take this minus 5 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 5, isn't it? So this is equation 2. Now let me solve this equation 1 and 2 by elimination method, okay? Elimination method. To solve this by elimination method, what we need to do is we need to make the coefficient of x equal, isn't it? To eliminate x, we need to make the coefficient of x equal. To eliminate y, we need to multiply, we need to make the coefficient of y equal. Let me make the coefficient of x equal. So the coefficient of x is here 20 and the coefficient of x here is 5. So if I multiply by 4 in equation 2, the coefficient of x will be equal, isn't it? So let me erase this, okay? Equation 1, we have 20x minus 3y equal to 60. This is equation 1. In equation 2, 4 into 5, 20, isn't it? 20x. And this minus sign shouldn't be forgotten. Plus y plus 4 into y, 4y equals to 4 5s are 20. This is equation 2. Now, adding equation 1 and 2, plus 20x and minus 20x cancels out each other. Plus 4y minus 3y, y. 4y minus 3y is y. Sign of greater number comes plus. So 60 plus 20 is 80, isn't it? So y is the number of oranges in each box. So we got the value of y. Now let us find the value of x by putting the value of y in equation 1. Putting the value of x, y. Putting the value of y in equation 1, isn't it? Equation 1 is 20x minus 3y equal to 60. This is equation 1. So 20x minus 3, y is 80. Instead of y, I write 80, okay? Equal to 60. Or 20x equal to 60. 3 at the 24. 240 minus 240, if you take to the right hand side, becomes plus 240, isn't it? Regarding me, 3 at the 24, that means 240 minus 240, I take to the right hand side, it becomes plus 240, isn't it? So x equals to 240 plus 60 is 300, I think so. 0 plus 0 is 0, 24 plus 6 is 30. This 20 comes in the denominator. 0, 0 cancels, 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30, isn't it? So x equals to 15. X equals to 15. And what is x? X is the number of X is the number of boxes. What are we asked to find? We are asked to find how many boxes and oranges did Farida Bibi have. So number of boxes is x, so number of boxes is 15. Let me erase this, okay? Please take the screenshot. I am erasing this. Therefore, number of boxes equals to 15. We are asked to find how many boxes, isn't it? The number of boxes. The number of boxes is x and the value of x is 15. So number of boxes is 15. And the second condition, the second question is how many boxes and oranges. We are asked to find the number of oranges also. And number of oranges. Number of oranges. Total number of oranges. Okay. Not the number of oranges in each box, but the total number of oranges. Total number of oranges is xy, isn't it? Total number of oranges is xy. So x is 15. X is 15 and y is 80, isn't it? We have found out the value of y, 80. I just erased earlier. So 15 into 80 is 15 zeros are 0. 15 into 8, 8 5s are 40, 0. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 is 12. 1200. So Farida Bibi had 15 boxes and 1200 oranges. Okay, I hope you got this. This is the answer for question number 20. Okay, now let's go. Question number 21, short answer type question. Okay, question number 1. If x equals to 3t and y equals to 2t by 3 minus 1, then for what value of t x equals to 3y? We are asked to find the value of t and the condition is x equals to 3y. At this condition, when x equals to 3y, what will be the value of t? Okay, we are asked to find the value of t. Now, let us suppose this is equation 1, okay? This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. First, let me simplify this equation. We have since y equals to 2t upon 3 minus 1, isn't it? So we have 1 in the denominator, or y equals to, let us take the LCM of 3 and 1. The LCM is 3, isn't it? The LCM is 3, 3 and 1, the LCM is 3. So 1 into 2t is 2t minus 3 into 1 is 3. Or now let us cross multiply this. 3 into y is 3y equals to 2t minus 3, isn't it? This is equation 2. Okay. Here the condition is x equals to 3y, isn't it? So in equation 1 we have x equals to 3t and equation 2 we have 3y equals to 2t minus 3. So that means x and 3y are equal, isn't it? This is the given condition, x and 3y are equal. Given condition, x equal to 3y, isn't it? X equal to 3y is the given condition. So that means if x equal to 3y, then this and this number are equal. That means their values also should be equal. Therefore, from 1 into 3t will be equal to 2t minus 3. Are you getting me? I hope you are getting me. According to condition, x equals to 3y. X equals to 3y, isn't it? Here we have 3y equals to this, and here we have x equals to 3t, and x and 3y are same. That means their values will also be same, isn't it? 3t will be equal to this, so 3t will be equals to this, because x and 3y are equal according to condition. Okay, so let us bring this 2t to the left hand side. 3t minus 2t equal to minus 3, or 3t minus 2t is t equal to minus 3. We were asked to find the value of t, isn't it? For what value of t, isn't it? So we are asked to find the value of t, and the value of t is minus 3. This is the answer. Okay, now let's go to question number 2. Question number 2. But before doing this question, let us understand the equations. Okay, suppose I have two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is equation 1. And another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2. This is general equations. Okay, I am writing the general equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, equation 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, equation 2. In equation 1, the coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is b1, and this c1 is constant term. Okay. In equation 2, coefficient of x is a2, coefficient of y is b2, and c2 is the constant term here. Okay, equals to 0. These two are the simultaneous equations, isn't it? Okay. Now this is to remember. Okay, note. We must remember this. For no solution, no solution means no solution. If these two equations cannot be solved, okay, if you solve these two equations, the answer will not come. Okay, then in this case, a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2 equal to not equal to c1 by c2. If the coefficient of x of equation 1 and 2 and coefficient of y in equation 1 and 2 are equal, and the constant terms are not equal from this, then these two equations are not solvable. That means if you plot this linear equation in graph paper, you will get two straight lines, isn't it? And these two straight lines will never meet each other. Okay, the two straight line, if you plot this in graph paper, this, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If you plot this in graph paper, these two lines will never meet each other, so they will have no solution. This is condition 1. And second condition, for one solution. Okay, for only one solution. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, that means if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, means if the coefficient of x in equation 1 and the coefficient of x in equation 2, a1 by a2, not equal to b1 by b2, coefficient of y in equation 1 and coefficient of y in equation 2, b1 by b2. If this a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then you will have only one equation, which means if you plot this straight line in a graph paper, it will meet like this. It will intersect each other, and the point of intersection is the solution, which you will get only one solution. Okay, when the condition is when the coefficient of a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then you will have only one solution. The last one is for infinite number of solutions. For infinite number of solutions. We must remember this. Okay, this is very, very important. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then you will have infinite number of solutions. Means if you plot this straight line in a graph paper and if you plot this straight line also in a graph paper, you will get the two straight lines overlapping each other. Okay, the second straight line will overlap each other, and the point of intersection will be infinite, isn't it? The point of intersection will be infinite, isn't it? One straight line will overlap the other one. Infinite number of solutions. We must remember this. Okay, please take the screenshot. I am erasing this. This is the key concept to solve this type of problem. Now let us solve this question. For what value of of k, the two equations, this and this, will have no solutions. Will have no solutions means equations are 2x plus 5y equal to 8, isn't it? So minus 8 equals to 0. Let us bring this plus 8 to the left hand side. 2x plus 5y minus 8 equals to 0. This is equation 1. And equation 2 is 2x minus ky plus 3, if you bring to the left hand side, minus 3 equals to 0. This is equation 2. So for what value of k, the two equations will have no solutions. For no solution, condition was a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, isn't it? And not equal to c1 by c2. That is not required. Okay, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 means no solution. Or a1 means the coefficient of x here, 2. a2 means the coefficient of x divided by 2 equal to b1 means the coefficient of y, 5, and b2 means the coefficient of this y, that is minus k. Okay, so this 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. So minus k into 1 is minus k. Minus k equals to 5, isn't it? Here we have 1. Minus k into 1 is minus k, and minus k equals to, here we have 5. So now multiplying both sides by minus sign, minus k into minus is plus k, and plus 5 into minus equals to minus 5. So the value of k for which these two equations will have no solution is minus 5. Question number 3. If x and y are real numbers and x minus 5 whole square plus x minus y whole square equals to 0, then what are the values of x and y? Okay. To solve this question, let us first understand this. If a square plus b square equal to 0, okay, if a square plus b square equal to 0, then each square should also be equal to 0, then only this equation will hold true. What I am trying to say is a square should be also 0 plus b square should be also 0, then only 0 plus 0 will become 0 in the right hand side, because we have 0 in the right hand side, isn't it? So 0 plus 0 will be equals to 0. If a square is not 0 and b square equals to 0, then let us say, suppose a is minus 1, okay, any number other than 0. If the value of a is any number other than 0, I am just supposing minus 1. Minus 1 square plus b square is 0, okay, 0 square, okay. Minus 1 square is plus 1, so 0 square is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, this is not equal to 0, isn't it? So if a and b both are not 0, then you will get a number which is not equal to 0, isn't it? So to hold this equation true means to make this left hand side and right hand side equal, because we have 0 in the right hand side. To make left hand side and right hand side equal, we should have a square equal to 0 and b square should also be equal to 0, then only the left and right will be equal, isn't it? So you can say if sum of squares is equal to 0, equal to 0, then each individual square should also be equal to 0. Should also be equal to 0. Equal to 0. Okay? Did you get me? Let me explain you again. If a square plus b square equals to 0, if this is the equation, each individual square should be equal to 0, then only 0 square plus 0 square 0 square plus 0 square means 0 square is 0 plus 0 square is 0. 0 plus 0 will give you 0. Then only you will get 0 in the right hand side. Otherwise, if you suppose the value of a any number other than 0, or if you suppose the value of b any number other than 0, then you will not get the sum equal to 0 in the right hand side. That means this, to hold this equation true, you need to have both a square and b square equal to 0, isn't it? I hope you got this. Okay, now therefore, since x minus 5 whole square plus x minus y whole square equal to 0, this square plus this square equal to 0, x minus 5 square plus x minus y square equal to 0. Let us say a square plus b square equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 5 square should be equal to 0 and x minus y square should also be equal to 0, isn't it? Both of them should be equal to 0, then only this equation will hold true. Okay. Now, if this equal to 0, x minus 5 equals to, let me take this square to the right hand side, it becomes root 0, isn't it? Square, if you take to the right hand side, it becomes root 0. Root 0 means 0. So x will become minus 5 equals to plus 5. Okay, the value of x is plus 5 here. Let's solve this. Or x minus y equals to square, if you take to the right hand side, it becomes root under 0. Root under 0 means 0. Or x equals to minus y becomes plus y. So we got the value of x is 5 and x and y are equal. Therefore, x equals to 5 and y equals to 5. Okay, because the value of x is 5 and x and y are equal, that means x is 5, y is also 5. So this is the solution for question number 3. So question number 4. If x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equals to minus 5, then what are the values of x and y? Isn't it? We are asked to find the values of x and y. Let us rewrite this equation. Or x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y. Let us bring this minus 5 to the right hand side. Plus 5 equals to 0. Now I am trying to make the squares, okay? Perfect squares. X square, this x square. From here, from 5, I write 1 plus 4. This 5 can be written as 1 plus 4, isn't it? So I write this 1 here, x square minus 2 into 1x plus 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 into x, 2x minus 2x. And this one is from 5, okay? Now I have plus y square. Okay, now this 4y can be written as plus 4y can be written as plus 2 into 2y, isn't it? 4y can be written as 2 into 2y plus this 5, 1 is already gone here. Now we have plus 4 and 4 can be written as 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. Let me check. This is x square. This is 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 into x is minus 2x. This is minus 2x. This 1 is from 5. I'll explain later. So right now plus y square is here. So 2 into 2y is 4y. This is 4y. Plus 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 5. Okay. Now, or a square. Actually, I am trying to make perfect square, isn't it? A square. A is x and b is 1, okay? This 1 can be written as 1 squared, isn't it? So, a square minus 2ab plus b square. B is 1, x is a. A square minus 2ab plus b square is x minus 1 whole square. A minus b whole square. Plus, this plus sign comes here. Now again, a is y and 2 is b, okay? A square plus 2a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? This is y plus 2 whole square equals to 0. Are you getting me? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here sum of squares is equal to 0. So since, let us not write that, okay? I hope you got this in previous sum. So therefore x minus 1 square equal to 0 and y plus 2 square equal to 0. You can write this. This means x minus 1 equals to 0, isn't it? Square if you take to the right hand side becomes root 0 is 0, or x equals to minus 1 becomes plus 1. And here y plus 2 equals to 0, square if you take to the right hand side becomes root, or y equals to plus 2 if you take to the right hand side becomes minus 2. Therefore we are asked to find the values of x and y, and the values of x and y are x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 2. These are the answers, okay? X and y. Let's do question number 5. For what values of r the two equations rx minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 and 4 minus rx minus y plus 1 equal to 0 would have no solution? Okay, let me write these two equations first. Rx minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 1. And equation 2, 4 minus rx minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 2, isn't it? So condition is would have no solution. No solution means for no solution means the two lines will never meet each other, isn't it? In that case, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, isn't it? A1 means the coefficient of x in equation 1 and A2 means the coefficient of x in equation 2. B1 means the coefficient of y in equation 1 and B2 means the coefficient of y in equation 2. Okay, so let us put the value. Or A1 means r. A2 means 4 minus r equal to B1 means minus 3, isn't it? B1 means minus 3. And B2 means minus 1. There is no number means we should understand there is 1. Minus 1. So let's cancel this minus and this minus. Okay. 1 into r is r equal to, this will be cross multiplied, isn't it? 3 into 4 is 12. Minus 3 into r is 3r. Now let us bring this minus 3r to the right hand side, left hand side. Minus 3r, r is already here, plus 3r equals to 12. R plus 3r is 4r, isn't it? R plus 3r is 4r, 4r equals to 12. So r equals to 12 upon this 4 comes to the denominator. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, isn't it? This is very easy, isn't it? R equals to 3. So we are asked to find the value of r and the value of r is 3. Okay, now let's do question number 6. Let us write the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Okay, this is very simple. Since a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, we must write y in the left hand side and take everything to the right hand side. Okay, b1y equals to a1x. If you take to the right hand side, it becomes minus a1x, and plus c1 becomes minus c1, isn't it? So y will be equals to minus a1 upon b1 x minus c1 upon b1, isn't it? This b1 will be cross multiplied, isn't it? This b1 will go to the denominator. Okay, so therefore y equals to minus a1 upon b1 whole x minus c1 by, okay, this is plus minus c1 by b1, because we are asked to write in the form of y equal to mx plus c, isn't it? Mx plus c. So this is y equal to m is minus a1 by b, mx plus, this is plus, this plus, and c is minus c1 by b1. If you multiply this, plus into minus comes minus. Okay, this is the answer. 7. For what value of k the two equations kx minus 21y plus 15 equal to 0 and 8x minus 7y equal to 0 have no solution. Let's write this equation first. Kx minus 21y plus 15 equal to 0. This is equation 1, and equation 2 is 8x minus 7y plus 0 equals to 2. We don't have c here, so let's suppose 0. Okay, so for only one solution, isn't it? For only one solution, the condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, isn't it? This is the condition. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So let us write the value of a1. a1 means the coefficient of x in equation 1, that is k. So a2 means the coefficient of x in equation 2, that is 8, not equal to b1 means the coefficient of x in equation 1, that is minus 21, and b2 means the coefficient of y in equation 2, that is minus 7. Okay, minus 7. Minus and minus cancel. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, isn't it? Or k equals to, let us cross multiply this, not equals to, k not equal to, this is not equal to 8 3 is 24. So for k not equal to 24, these two equations will have only one solution. Okay, these two equations will have only one solution. The value of k should not be equal to 24. Okay, k is not equal to 24. I hope you got this. Number 8, for what values of a and b the two equations 5x plus 8y equal to 7 and a plus bx plus a minus by equals to 2a plus b plus 1 have infinite number of solutions. Okay, let us rewrite these equations. 5x plus 8y, let us bring this 7 to the left hand side, minus 7 equals to 0. This is equation 1, and equation 2 we have a plus b x plus a minus b y. Let us bring this to the left hand side, minus 2a plus b plus 1. This whole when brought to the left hand side becomes minus, equals to 0. This is equation 2. So for infinite number of solutions, isn't it? Infinite number of solutions. For infinite number of solutions, condition is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. Okay, this is b2 equal to c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, then these two equations will have infinite number of solutions. Now let us put the value of a1. a1 means the coefficient of x in equation 1, that is 5, and a2 means the coefficient of x in equation 2, that is a plus b. Okay, equals to b1 means the coefficient of y in equation 1, that is 8, okay, 8, and b2 means the coefficient of y in equation 2, that is a minus b, equal to c1 means the coefficient of x, c1 means the constant term, that is minus 7. Here c2 means the constant term in equation 2, that is minus 2a plus b plus 1, isn't it? So let us cancel this minus and minus. Now since this equal to this and this equal to this, so shall I erase this? Okay, let me do here first. Let us first equate this and this, okay, this two, and then after that this two, or 5 upon a plus b equals to 8 upon a minus b. First let us equate these two. From here we will find equation 1, and then again we will find equation 2. After that, solving equation 1 and 2, we will get the value. Okay, so a minus b into 5, or 5 into a minus b, isn't it? 5 into a minus b equals to 8 into a plus b, 8 into a plus b. This gives us 5 into A is 5A minus 5 into B is 5B. 5B equals to 8 into A is 8A plus 8 into B is 8B. Okay, or let us bring everything to the left hand side. 5A minus 8A minus this 5B plus 8B minus 8B equals to 0. So let me do here. 5A minus 8A is minus 3A, isn't it? Minus 5B minus 8B, both are same sign. So minus 5B minus 8B is minus 13B. 13B equals to 0, isn't it? 5A minus 8A is minus 3A. Minus 5B and minus 8B is minus 13B equals to 0. Let us multiply both sides by minus sign. That means 3A plus 13B equals to 0. Minus into 0 is 0, isn't it? I have multiplied both sides by minus sign. Okay, this is equation 3. So now let us again equate this and this, or this and this. We can do anything. Let us erase this. Now let me equate this and this. Okay, 5 upon A plus B equal to 7 upon 2A plus B plus 1, isn't it? Or let us cross multiply this. 5 2s are 10A plus 5 into B, 5B plus 5 1s are 5 equals to 7 into A, 7A plus 7 into B, 7B. This is cross multiplied here and this is cross multiplied here. Okay, now let us bring everything to the left hand side. 10A 7A becomes minus 7A. Now we have 5B plus 5B. This plus 7B becomes minus 7B. Okay, now let us take this plus 5 to the right hand side, minus 5. Okay, now let me do here. 10A minus 7A is 3A, isn't it? 10A minus 7A is 3A plus 5B minus 7B is minus 2B. That is minus 2B equals to minus 5, isn't it? Minus 5. This is equation 4. Now let us solve equation 3 and 4 and find the values of A and B. I'll erase this. Okay, please take the screenshot. Okay, now equation 1 we have 3A plus 13B. 3A plus 13B equals to 0. And equation 2, 3A minus 2B equals to minus 5, isn't it? This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, this becomes minus, this becomes plus, this becomes plus, isn't it? So plus 3A and minus 3A cancels out. Plus 13B plus 2B is 13, 14, 15B, isn't it? Equals to plus 5. This minus 5 becomes plus 5. Or B equals to 5 upon 15. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, or B equals to 1 upon 3. I hope you are getting me. Now putting the value of B in equation 4, I will find the value of A. Okay, let me do here. Putting the value of B in equation 1 or 2, you can 3 or 4, you can put in any equation. I am putting in equation 4. Equation 4. Okay, equation 4 is 3A minus 2B is minus 5. 3A minus 2B, isn't it? 3A minus 2B equal to minus 5. So 3A minus 2B means 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 equals to minus 5. Or 3A equals to, this is minus 5. 2 1s are 2. 2 upon 3. Minus 2 upon 3, isn't it? If you take to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2 upon 3. So 3A equals to plus 2 upon 3. Shall I erase? Oh, let me do here. Okay, after this I am doing here. Don't get confused. Okay, 3a equals to we have 1 in the denominator. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So 3 into 5 is minus 15, and 1 into 2 is 2, plus 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So, or A equals to minus 15 plus 2 is 13, 14, 15, minus 13, isn't it? Minus 13. Minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13 upon this 3 goes to the denominator upon 9. So the value of A and B, we are asked to find the values of A and B, isn't it? So the value of A is minus 13 upon 9 and B is 1 upon 3. Number 1 of MCQ, question number 22, 1. Okay. The two equations 4x plus 3y equals to 7 and 7x minus 3y equals to 4 have only one solution. This is option A. Option B is infinite number of solutions. Number C is no solution. Number D is none of them. Okay, let's check out. Let's write this equation. 4x plus 3y plus 7 bring to the left hand side minus 7 equals to 0. This is equation 1. And equation 2, 7x minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. This is equation 2. So A1 by A2 is 4 by 7, isn't it? A1 is 4, A2 is 7, A1 by A2 is 4 by 7, and B1 by B2 is plus 3 by minus 3, isn't it? So these two are equal or not? This is minus 1, isn't it? Plus 1 by minus 1. So this gives us 4 by 7 not equal to 1 minus 1 by 1, isn't it? So this is not equal, both are not equal. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, isn't it? That means only one solution. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then that two equations will have only one solution. Okay, I hope we got this. Now let us go for question number 2. The two equations, this and this, have how many solutions? These are the options A, B, C, D. Okay, let's check. 3x plus 6y minus 15 equal to 0. 6x plus 12y minus 30 equal to 0, isn't it? So here we have 3 upon 6. A1 by A2 is 3 upon 6. B1 by B2 is 6 upon 12. And C1 by C2 is minus 15 by 30, isn't it? Minus 30. So minus and minus can be cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 upon 2. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 1 upon 2. 15 1s are 15, 15 1s are 30. So 1 upon 2 equal to, this is equal to 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, isn't it? That means infinite number of solutions. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, then they will have infinite number of solutions. Okay, so these are number 1 and 2. Let's go for the next question. Question number 3. The two equations 4x plus 4y equal to 20 and 5x plus 5 equal to 30 will have how many solutions? Okay, there are options A, B, C and D. Let's check out. 4x plus 4y, let us bring this 20 to the left hand side, minus 20 equal to 0, isn't it? And this is equation 1. 5x plus 5y minus 30 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now let us see A1 by A2. A1 is 4, by A2 is 5, B1 is 4, B2 is 5, isn't it? C1 is minus 20 and C2 is minus 30. So this minus and minus can be cancelled, 0 and 0 can be cancelled. So 4 by 5 equal to 4 by 5, but not equal to 2 by 3, isn't it? So this means no solution, isn't it? If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, that means no solution. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, then this type of equation will have no solution. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let us go for another question. Which of the following equations have 1, 1 solution? Let's put the value of 1, the value of x. This one is value of x and this one is value of y. Okay, which equation holds true? Let's put here 2 1s are 2, y 3 1s are 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. This is not the answer. So let us put here 6 1s are 6 and 1 2 1s are 2, 6 plus 2 8. This is also not the answer. Let's check here. 3 1s are 3. The value of x is also 1 and y is also 1. So 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5, isn't it? 3 1s are 3 plus 2 1s are 2. X is 1 and y is 1. 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. No need to check this. 4 1s are 4 plus 6 1s are 6. 4 plus 6 is 10, not 8. So I have got this. The two equations 4x plus 3y equal to 25 and 5x minus 2y equal to 14 have solutions. Which of this option is the correct, isn't it? So let us solve this equation, simultaneous equation. We have 4x plus 3y equal to 25. This is equation 1 suppose, and this is equation 2. Okay, so let us equate the coefficient of y. This 2 multiply here and this 3, let's multiply in here. So we have 2 into 4 is 8x. I'm just making the coefficient of y equal. Okay, 2 into 4 is 8x plus 2 3s are 6y equal to 2 25s are 50, isn't it? This is equation 1, and equation 2 is 3 5s are 15x 15x minus 3 2s are 6y equal to 3 14s are 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 4 42, isn't it? Equation 2. So adding we get plus 6y and minus 6y cancels out. 15 plus 8 is 23, isn't it? 23x equal to 50 plus 42 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 4 is 9. So x equals to 92 upon 23. 23 4s are 23, 1s are 20, 23 4s are 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 9, isn't it? So the value of x is 4. So this could be the answer and this could be the answer. Okay, let us find the value of y. Putting the value of x in equation 1, 4x plus 3y equals to 25, isn't it? This is equation 1. 4x plus 3y equals to 25. So x equals to 4. 4 into 4 plus 3y equals to 25. So 3y equals to 25. 4 4 is 16 plus 16 you take to the right hand side, it becomes minus 16. Y equals to 25 minus 16 is 9. Upon this 3 comes in the denominator. 3 1 2 3 0 9. So x equals to 4, y equals to 3. Let's check out. So this is the option, x equals to 4, y equals to 3. Option A is the correct answer. Let's do the last question, question number 6. The solution of the equation x plus y equals to 7. We have x plus y equals to 7, isn't it? So let us suppose the value of x. Let's check this. x1, y6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So this is correct. So let's put this value x3, y minus 4. Plus 3 minus 4 is not 7. This is the wrong answer. So let's check this. 1 plus 1 minus 6. Plus 1 minus 6 is minus 5. This is the wrong answer. So let's check this. x1, y6. 1 plus 6 is 7. Let's check this. x4 plus y3. 7. 4 plus 3 gives 7. So this is the correct option. This is also the wrong option. Minus 1 plus 6 gives us 5, not 7. Okay. So you can say that C is the correct option. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understood the concept which I tried to teach you in this video. If you understood the concept and if you like the way of my teaching, then please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for more video uploads. Thank you.